Hey, it's Jacqui Hodges, and I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. Today, we're going to talk about something that I've been a little skeptical about. Is this a Rose Quartz Roller? A Rose Quartz Roller. Have you ever tried a jade roller or a rose quartz roller? I've heard about these things, but I just didn't think there was any benefit to using a roller on your face. So recently when I was gifted one by my favorite skincare and cosmetic company, Mary Kay, I decided that I would give this little baby a 2-week trial because I did the research and I found out that everyone who had used a rose quartz roller or a jade roller, actually, either kind, that after 2 weeks, if they used them twice a day for 2 weeks, they saw some positive results. So I thought, well, I'm gonna give this little thing a review for myself. And so today's video is just about how I have been using the Rose Quartz Roller. Let's get started. So from my research, I learned that if I'm going to use a serum, I want to put the serum on first. I'm using the Mary Kay Replenishing Serum C plus E. So when you apply that to your skin and then you use your jade quartz roller, it helps your body. The roller improves your skin circulation, and that helps your body to absorb your serum and then helps your serum to work better. But the roller does also help with your skin tone. It helps to improve elasticity. It promotes lymphatic drainage, which helps to reduce inflammation. It reduces puffiness and wrinkles. And in my eye area, that is where I've really seen a benefit, is from the puffiness and wrinkles in my eye area. You can see I'm going in one direction, up and out. That just really helps your skin to relax and also to go in the direction that you want it to go, which is up and out, not down and out, right? It helps with dark circles. It helps to eliminate toxins, helps to tighten and reduce pore size. Didn't know that before all this. And it's just relaxing. I use it on my neck too, just to help with the increased circulation on that skin in my neck area, because I want it to stay tight and firm. This is just a real relaxation product for me. I was so surprised how good it feels. The roller itself is very cold, and it is just a super pampering product. What do you think? Is the Rose Quartz Roller something that you need to add to your self-care, skincare routine? I say yes. Yes, it is. And something really beautiful that's happening. You know, I told you at the beginning of this video that I was gifted this roller from my favorite company, which is Mary Kay. Well, the reason they gifted it to me is because they want to gift it to you too. Right now, when you purchase our Replenishing Serum C plus E, you get the Rose Quartz Roller for free. That's right. It's a gift with purchase right now. And also our Time-Wise Repair Lifting Serum. If you're needing more lift on your skin, then you get it with that serum too. So now here's the deal with my review. Here's what I noticed after 2 weeks of using this product twice a day. I did notice that my eye area looked better, less puffy, more smooth. So the roller did help to increase circulation enough to bring down that puffiness in my eye area. I'm not really sure that I noticed any changes on the rest of my skin, but I can tell you 100% that I will continue using the jade roller no matter what on my neck area, because whatever we can do to keep that skin firm and lifted, I am all for it. And just because I love the way this feels, and it feels relaxing and almost like a little facial massage every night. And I do believe that over time it will be enhancing what my serums do to my skin. I give this a 10. Skeptical before, I really love it now. So what do you think? Would a roller be something that you would love to see in your self-care routine? Are you like, no, I would never do that? Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think about this idea of using a facial roller. And if you already use a roller, tell me about the one that you used. If you like this video, make sure and hit the like button. It tells YouTube that you like my videos and you want to see more of them. Make sure and leave a comment. Let me know that you're here. That's how I get connected with my viewers. And then share this video with the women that you talk beauty with, your mom, sister, coworker, friend, neighbor, because remember, my motto is sharing is caring when it comes to our anti-aging and self-care products. All right, that's the end of this video. Make sure that you're subscribed so when the next video drops, you don't miss a thing. Bye-bye.